Hi guys, welcome back to the New Tech channel, and in this next video I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your MKV video files to MP4. And for the sake of the video, we're going to be using the OBS screen capture software. So the first thing you want to do is to come to your OBS app and right click on it and then run as administrator. All right. So once OBS is opened, just come right here to the top left corner of the screen and click on File, and from the options on the drop down, click on Remux Recordings. All right. So just before I proceed to show you how to use OBS to convert your MKV video files to MP4, I'd like to maintain that the MKV video format is more crash resistant, and in case your PC crash, you can easily recover your videos if they are in the MKV format compared to the MP4 format. So we'll just proceed to use OBS for the conversion, and to do that, you'd come to click on this little space and then click on these ellipses, and we're going to select the video that we want to use. I'm going to be using this MKV video for the conversion, so I'll go ahead and click on it and click on open. All right, so the next thing is on this other side, you'd want to select the exact folder where you'd want your conversion to go to, or you can just leave as is. So the next thing is to click on Remux, and instantly your video has been remuxed. So if I come to my desktop and then click on Remux file, you'd see the MP4 version of the video. So guys, that's how to use OBS to convert your MKV video files to MP4. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.